Good day, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we are going to write our first test. I know we are all excited, so let's get right into it. So let me just quickly make some space here. So we are going to import some things, and as you can see the structure, we are using an async way to write our scripts, and I have tried. I think the most convenient way to write when you're using WebDriver is to use the async way. I'm not a JavaScript expert. I don't know why it is that way, but it is what it is. So I do not have an answer to that. So let's just quickly create some variables here. Let's call it seek, because I love Legend of Seeker. So let's use seeker, constant seeker. But that's not a conventional name. So let's just stick to conventional name. Come on, stop the bad habit. So we say constant find require, and we get something from the Appium Flutter Finder. This would help us to, as you can see, it has suggested for us, so we get something from it. So this would help us to be able to locate an element. And one other thing that I would also want us to quickly install, let me quickly open this, is we need to install an assertion, a form of assertion. So we say npm i-d, let's use assert. Some might be comfortable with chai, and I would install chai instead and use and expect. But I just recently actually learned about assert. I've always been using chai, so I want to get used to it. That's why I'm using assert. So please bear with me. This is for a personal reason. I want to get used to using assert instead. So now the next thing is we bring assert in. So constant assert was require assert. Now that we've done this, what we want to do on the application, it is here, is basically just two things. We just want to click get started on the application. Yeah, and after clicking get started, we want to come here and type why isn't it working? I want to come here and type oh god, this is preposterous. So we want to type jeans. Let's just type jeans into it. That's what we're going to do. Let me restart this, and I don't need a snapshot, so so let us reload the page and see what happens when we reload the page now. And reload the screen, so we click get started and we type still the same thing. And this is weird. Okay, so we still have some dummy variables that can be clicked, but what we want to basically do is just click and type jeans into it. So let's get that done, but let's just prepare our script, because we'll just say okay, yes, we want to launch app and search. So we can say click button and type. So that's what the test will do. So we'll stop here because we need to be able to identify elements. So in the next video, we are going to get back into our previous script here on the, where is it? The app, yeah. We'll get back into our previous script here and we will launch the Appium Flutter Inspector so it can help us inspect the elements that we need. That brings us to the end of the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.